In this video, we'll show you how to add custom analytics to Mailchimp reports so you can gain more in-depth insights into your email campaigns. Whether you're looking to track specific metrics or integrate third-party data, we'll cover everything you need to know to take your email marketing to the next level. First, let's talk about why custom analytics matter. By adding custom analytics to your Mailchimp reports, you'll be able to track the metrics that matter most to your business. Instead of relying on Mailchimp's standard reports, which focus on basic email stats, custom analytics give you the flexibility to monitor unique data points that could impact your marketing strategies. Next, let's dive into how you can actually set this up. The first thing you need to do is access the Mailchimp dashboard. Head over to your campaign reports and select the campaign for which you want to add custom analytics. Once you're in the report view, you'll see an option to customize your reports by adding new data fields. The third thing you'll need to do is to identify the data you want to track. Mailchimp allows you to integrate with Google Analytics, so if you're already using it for your website, you can pull in data like page views, user engagement, and conversions directly into your reports. You can also track metrics like revenue generated from campaigns or any specific goals you have set up in Mailchimp. The next step is to add your custom data fields. This is done by selecting Add Field in your Mailchimp report. From here, you can choose which custom metrics you want to track. You'll have the option to use Mailchimp's built-in metrics or enter your own data points if you're using a third-party tool. Just keep in mind that you'll need the correct API key or integration permissions for any external data sources. Now, the fifth thing to consider is automation. If you're regularly tracking the same custom analytics, it can get repetitive to manually add them every time. Fortunately, Mailchimp offers automation features that allow you to set up recurring custom reports. This means you can schedule your reports to update and send to you automatically, saving you time and keeping your analytics up to date. The sixth step is to analyze and take action. Once you've set up your custom analytics in Mailchimp, it's time to use that data. Review your reports to spot trends and performance gaps. Maybe you'll notice that certain email subject lines perform better with specific demographics, or that certain types of content lead to more conversions. This actionable insight will help you optimize your future campaigns. By adding custom analytics to Mailchimp reports, you're not just collecting data, you're gaining a deeper understanding of what's working and what's not. This can significantly improve your decision-making and campaign performance. As a bonus, if you want to try Mailchimp and set up custom analytics for free, you can do so by clicking the first link in the description below. We've also got an exclusive extended free trial waiting for you, so don't miss out on this chance to get more out of your email marketing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out the free trial offer and start optimizing your Mailchimp reports today.